एक तो पहिला कसं हेवी कंस्ट्रक्शनिस्ट आहे.
So, sir, we are here at Shubhline Automation Pvt Ltd, which is India's first ever heavy-duty machine manufacturer.
This model I feel is a very good model in the sense, first and foremost, it is made in India. It is made by a person I know.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Yes, and so you have been a customer for Shubhline. How was your experience?
Yes, we have been early adopters for this product. I guess it was the second machine they made, and since then we have ordered another, and the second machine is being installed.
I'm very proud of this company where it has come to. Okay, and of course we'll see the price point also, and it can do something good in our company. So we'll have a look at it.
Yeah, I'm happy also that in India, such a big machines, we have started to make these machines. So we will get machines on good price and accuracy is required.